All Parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly criticized the Narendra Modi-led Hindutva Indian government for its efforts to obliterate the identity and economy of the oppressed people of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, expressed grave concern over the escalating atrocities and the political injustices faced by the people in the occupied Kashmir. Mehbooba Mufti, People's Democratic Party president, has lashed out at the Modi government-installed administration, saying that the contractors across the occupied Kashmir are being denied the payment despite completing their projects. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mehbooba Mufti, while talking to X platform, has asked the Lieutenant Governor to intervene into the matter. With only a week left for Eid ul-Fitr, the government treasuries in the occupied Kashmir remain empty, leaving the employees and the contractors fuming. According to Kashmir Media Service, the treasuries are running high and dry in the occupied Kashmir, due to which the government employees are without salaries from the past several months, said a group of the contractors while protesting outside the district treasury office Budgam. Indian troops have arrested 3 youth in the Sopore town. According to Kashmir Media Service, the arrest took place during a search operation at the fruit mandi crossing areas, where Faisal Ahmed, Aqib and Adil were apprehended by the Indian troops and the paramilitary personnel. At least 4,251 lives were lost in road accidents over the past 5 years in the occupied Kashmir, according to the recently released data from the traffic headquarters in Srinagar. In the last 5 years, occupied Kashmir has witnessed a total of 28,896 road accidents, resulting in 4,251 fatalities and 37,725 injuries. The Jammu region reported the highest number of the road accidents. Indian Home Minister Amit Shah has criticized the former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru for his handling of the Kashmir dispute, accusing him of the blunders in implementing the Article 370 and taking the issue to the United Nations. Shah praised the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for abrogating the Article 370 in August 2019. According to Kashmir Media Service, in a fiery election rally in Rajasthan, Jodhpur, Amit Shah, however, did not mention Nehru's right to self-determination commitment to the Kashmiri people.